to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it. And if this is your first time, welcome. Welcome to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville. Now on this particular channel, I do decorating, shop with me, clean with me. I do work in my exterior as well as the interior cleaning, and I also do a little bit of real estate. So if this is something that interests you, go ahead on and hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell so you will be notified each time when I upload another video. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And if you're thinking about joining the Precious family, once you join, go ahead on and comment below so I can welcome you into the Precious family. Okay, so today I will be decorating this area behind me, and I'm going to change everything. Well, I won't be changing everything, but I will be adding some black pieces because I'm going to incorporate some black into all of this white that I have here, and I want to bring you along with me, and you can watch me as I decorate. So let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead on and take these pieces down and clean it real good, and I'm going to add my black. This is my Buffet and Sideboard Styling Ideals Spring 2024 Refresh, and I just want to come in here and just give it a refresh. I had all white up, but I'm not going to get rid of all of the white. What I'm going to do is incorporate some of the black with the whites. And later on, in a few more of my videos after this one, I will be doing all black, but I'm going to first finish stepping through with my buffet, I believe my coffee table. Then I'll do my console table in black and white, and also my couch and my display shelves in black and white. So just to give you some ideas, guys, you don't have to take down all of your pieces to add some to it. Well, you don't have to take down all of your pieces. You can always add some to your pieces, and that will help you along the way. You won't have to wear yourself out, but you can just add that black with that white. Okay? And before I move on, let me show you some of the pieces that I purchased. As you can recall in my previous videos, I did say that I will show you the pieces when I purchase them, and I won't hold them for a long haul, but I will show you how I style those when I purchase the pieces. So here is a vase that I purchased, and I purchased this from Burlington, and it was $11.99. Okay, and I also purchased another piece that goes along with this. Here's the other item that I purchased, and it was $7.99, and I showed you the third piece or the first piece in my buffet in my dining area. So this is a piece that I purchased. And I purchased this little vase here. It looked more like a mason jar, but anyway, it was on sale for $2.99, and I figure I can use it for something. So this is what it looking like. Okay. I'm going to go ahead on and finish decorating, and I'm going to play you some music as you watch me decorate, and I will pop back in a few. come to the end of this video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And at this time, if you like what you saw, asking that you go ahead on and consider becoming a part of the Precious family by clicking on that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and hit the notification bell so you will be reminded the next time I upload another video. And thank you so much. I really do appreciate you for watching. As always, until the next time, I will see you guys in the next video. I will see you in the future, and your future looks good on you. Don't forget to watch the shorts that I have uploaded at the end of this video. Bye bye.